Well, this warm September weather means many people are enjoying a lot more time outdoors. But human cases of West Nile virus in several places not far from Waterloo region have health officials putting out an alert. CTV's Hannah Schmidt following this story for us. Hannah, we are talking about human cases in Huron, Perth, Halton and Brant. So what's the message?
Well, Tony, health units are reminding residents not to take mosquito bites lightly, even though they say that the risk is still minimal at this time. The fall, early fall and the late summer are peak season for the virus.
Huron, Perth Public Health confirmed its first human case of West Nile virus this year. It comes 1 month after mosquito pools tested positive in Listowel and Mitchell.
This is the season that we are expecting that West Nile viruses you could get infected with West Nile virus, so you need to be really careful.
And this region isn't alone. Halton reported 5 new human cases Monday, and in Brant County, officials confirmed their first case in 5 years.
There is no vaccine for this disease, and there is no treatment for this disease. So prevention is definitely important.
According to Public Health Ontario, there have been 8 human cases reported across the province this week, with 99 cases reported so far this year, an increase over 2023 when there were 61 cases and 1 reported death, and in 2024 when 87 cases were reported.
Some of the factors that impact West Nile virus transmission is if you have more annual or seasonal temperatures, like more warming. If the habitat is conducive for these mosquitoes to live, that's where you will see like a lot of cases of West Nile virus.
Most people bitten by an infected mosquito experience no symptoms, but for some, the illness brings fever, body aches, or rashes. And in 1% of cases, it can attack the nervous system, causing confusion, loss of consciousness, or paralysis.
In people who have this form of the West Nile virus that affects the central nervous system, death can occur in 10% of cases.
In an effort to mitigate the risk, Huron Perth Public Health is targeting breeding grounds using larvicide in Stratford, St. Mary's, Listowel, and Mitchell.
I think when cities are being proactive in doing that, that's a good thing for all of us as city dwellers to enjoy the outdoors in the summer months.
But at home, Dowd says property maintenance is critical.
Homeowners need to also be diligent that, standing water, whether it be in their pool cover, their bird bath, children's toys, downspouts, not downspouts, these troughs, clearing out that standing water because that's where mosquitoes will breed.
According to officials, West Nile virus usually peaks in late August and lasts into about mid-October, late October. And so, they're urging that their best advice to protect yourself is to cover up, put on insect repellent, and just be wary around the dusk and dawn hours, as that's the most typical time that mosquitoes are most active.